Cool. 8. String to integer, atoi. Implement atoi, which converts a string to an integer. The function first discards as many white spaces as necessary. That's already going to be annoying and tricky, possibly, until the first non-white space character is found. Then, starting from this character, take an optional initial plus or minus sign followed by as many numerical digits as possible. Interprets them as a numerical right. The string can contain additional characters after that form the integer number, which I ignored and have no effect. This actually describes what atoi function is called, atoi, but it's going to be, I'm going to have like so many weird edge cases. A string can contain additional characters after those that form the integral number, which are ignored. I can't worry about that actually. If the first sequence of the non-white space character is not white integer number, or if there's no such sequence exists because either string or empty or contains only white space character, no conversion is performed. If no conversion is performed, a 0 value is returned. Okay, only space is space. Again, we have to do that thing with the int. Oh no, but this time you want to return int max or int min. Okay. They give an example of it at least. Yeah. This is a good practice of annoyingness, but people always complain about Leetcode and these kind of type of interviews as not realistic. Well, this is a very realistic function, I suppose. Cool. Is there a trim function in Python? I think I should get better, but I'll do the really poor performing strip. I guess I'll just strip once. The name of the string is str, and it got me confused. Cool. Okay, and then now we just that's right. I think that one thing that I have to be familiar with Palm is that, well, with my my programming language and my tool set is that you see me do this a lot where I compile midway just to make sure that this code is right, which I think is still an okay philosophy. But at least when I was doing the contest or practice contest, like the very good people, they are just very confident about them stuff being right the first time. So yeah, but okay, how all this white and like this could be in the helper probably, but okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Okay. Used to be the elves of. Let me just take it, and then no, it has to be good, right? Okay. No. Anything else, you just return C. Well, you return result, maybe. Yeah. Is that it? I guess that's it, minus some additional error checking. Right. Let me. I know that I'm going to mess up on the underflow, overflow, or not mess up. I just know that that's not fixed yet. So let me see. Let me take a look at the examples first, at least. All right, okay, that I expect. So I think one thing that I like to emphasize also is that sometimes when you type in things that you don't test for, sometimes you get it right by accident. And when you don't, and if you don't expect that, then you should figure out why that happens sometimes. Because not only should the stuff that you expect to be correct, and then the stuff that should not be correct should also be not correct. That probably makes sense, but I think people don't check that enough sometimes. Well, I don't anyway. Maybe I'm talking about myself. Uh, oh, and also I don't do anything about negatives, so that's just gonna be wrong. Wait. I guess I don't need to run again, but I have a negative thing here. Oh, I guess it's just the last one, so we put that as a test case as well. Oh, I guess I didn't take this case for whatever reason. I should incorrectly put out 42 because, and not negative 42. But okay, that's expected, which is good. Just find a helper. Oh, is it? Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. Uh, or I don't know, just this person. Nice to see you, but yeah. Let me know if you can't hear me. Okay. Well, maybe I was just mumbling to myself then. That's my bad. But sometimes I talk to myself a little bit. Oh, huh. Yeah, I'll double check that later. But let me know if you have issues again. But thank you. Just a helper. Okay. Otherwise, if it's legit, then we should check this. I also want to check it. I guess I could just check it here. There's going to be some weird edge case, but This is right. Oh, did I do it wrong way? Oh, because I forgot to handle the sign. I was thinking about that while I'm typing it, but clearly did not came through. Is that all the test cases? That's possibly all the test cases. Hmm. To show cameras, we return to the first one. Test number. I guess the other ones that I want to test is like negative plus 15. Negative 15 plus 100. Well, I guess that's 1,000. Well, that's 1,000. Yeah, maybe I'm not speaking up also, so let me know. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me just try that. Oh no. Huh? Oh, yeah, okay. The empty string. I do. These problems. Okay. Maybe now I'm slightly more confident, but not really. Oh no. Oh, okay. Only slightly more, but now I'm slightly more confident. Okay, I clearly did not read something. Uh, hmm. Oh man, this has been a huge failure of me not paying attention enough. But uh, just a lot of edge cases, which I guess we expected, but I still was a little silly about. God dang it. But yeah, overall the like just like the other one, I don't think the algorithm is that confusing. They literally tell you what to do. You just have to shift things around. I think the stuff about handling the edge cases is kind of tricky. And I probably rushed it a little bit, but yeah, but well, it's still a pretty okay poem. And definitely one that I would not be surprised seeing on a programming interview. And depending on how the interviewer wants to kind of play around the edge cases, this could be a very simple problem or maybe a little trickier and so forth. And in this case, it was slightly trickier, but not that tricky. A lot of people hate this farm though. I don't know, not quite sure why, but I mean, it is what it is. I guess maybe the edge cases. I mean, it took me a couple of tries because I'm silly today. But yeah. Oh, I guess I should talk a lot, but I forgot about this one because I just kind of was happy that I'm done with it. But yeah, in terms of album, this is just all of n and all of one space. I don't think I use that much extra space unless you count additional string allocation or something like that, which I guess we could have changed it or fixed. But um, uh, but yeah, like I said, this is easily could be a very interviewee problem. I wouldn't be surprised, so definitely know it. Uh, I could have probably cleaned some of this up still a little bit. I was gonna put this in a function, but I didn't. Now I kind of, and since this gives me like two wrong answers, I regret that a little bit. But in terms of cleaning the code, I definitely would and should. bound check a little bit better. Even this stuff sometimes maybe, but otherwise it's okay. I mean, I definitely things we could change on, but yeah.